Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Zainab Zulkifli. My metric number 01F23F2022. Today, our group will present a case study titled Digital Islamic Banking Balancing Technology and Sharia Compliance. As we all know, Islamic banking continues to evolve with global technological investment. Through digitalization, Islamic banks are now able to provide services that are more convenient, fast and efficient for their customers. However, the progress also brings challenges, especially in ensuring that every online transaction and digital contract truly follow Sharia principles. In this case study, we will focus on Al-Ma'arif Islamic Bank, a bank that has recently launched its new digital bank application. We will identify the main issues faced by the bank, discuss how teamwork can help solve them, and propose Sharia compliance solutions that ensure both customer satisfaction and Islamic ethical values such as amanah and transparency.
Hi, hello, my name is Ardila Natasha and I am going to explain about the background of the issues faced by Al-Ma'arif Islamic Bank. Al-Ma'arif Islamic Bank had introduced a digital banking app that provides services such as online account opening, fund transfers, e-statements and bill payments. Even though customers appreciated the convenience, several problems started to arise. So firstly, the customer began questioning the validity of the digital buy contracts since there were no physical signatures. Secondly, many users found the app's interface is confusing, especially when it came to understanding profit and hibah. And lastly, there were some delays in system updates due to weak communication between the IT department, Sharia team and marketing team. In order to overcome these issues, the management decided to form a cross-functional digital banking task force. This team included representatives from different departments to make sure both technology and Sharia compliance could move forward together.
Next slide, I will talking about achievement in digital Islamic banking. First, in introduction using friendly digital platform or Islamic banking. Maksudnya pelajaran platform digital ni telah dilancarkan sebab dia membantu pelanggan untuk melakukan transaction dengan lebih cepat dan selamat. Second, encourage customers to adopt Sharia compliant digital service. Maksudnya bank berjaya menarik minat pelanggan untuk beralih kepada kaedah tradisional untuk penggunaan perkhidmatan dalam talian yang menepati patuhi syariah. Okay, point ketiga is improve internal collaboration between IT, syariah dan product development team. Ini maksudnya menghasilkan setiap produk yang dihasilkan dengan model tetapi juga mematuhi syariah. So last point is in charge the customer convention by offering 24/7 access to Islamic financial service. Maksudnya dalam 7 hari kan seminggu. So dia menjadi urusan pelanggan yang lebih mudah dan fleksibel.
So from these problems, we can identify 3 main issues and challenges faced by Al-Ma'arif Islamic Bank. Firstly, the validity of the digital contracts. Customers were unsure if electronic approval without physical signatures is considered valid in Islam. Secondly, the lack of understanding of Islamic terms. Some users might misunderstood terms like profit rate and hibah, which led to confusion and mistrust. And third, weak coordination between teams. The IT department focused on system updates and speed, while the Sharia team required more detailed reviews. This mismatch caused the delays. These challenges highlight how important it is for Islamic banks to balance between technology progress and also Sharia compliance.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nashazwina Azwa binti Abdul Rahim. My metric number is 01DIF23F2010. Now, I will talk about suggestion balancing technology and Sharia compliance. First, we suggest implementing a Sharia compliant essential system. This system should use electronic signation verified by both Islamic and legal authorities. Each contract must also include an online akad declaration to ensure transparency and validity according to Sharia principle. Next, we propose improving the user interface for better clarify and understanding. An information button labeled Sharia info can be added to explain key Islamic terms and principles. Infographic or short video can also be used to make the information easier for users to understand. The third suggestion is to enhance collaboration tools and hold regular meetings. Teams should schedule weekly meetings using digital tools such as Microsoft Teams or Trello. This will ensure smooth communication and coordination between different departments. Lastly, we recommend conducting customer education campaign. Digital workshops or short tutorials can be organized to educate users on how Islamic digital banking works. This session should emphasize the value of amanah and transparency in financial dealings. Next, I will continue the conclusion. The experience of Al-Ma'arif Islamic Bank show that digital transformation in Islamic banking can succeed when teamwork, communication, and Sharia compliance are prioritized. By aligning technological innovation with Islamic ethical values such as amanah and transparency, the bank can enhance customer satisfaction while maintaining trust and integrity. Effective teamwork between IT, Sharia, and marketing department ensure that every product and service not only meets customer expectation but also upholds Islamic financial principles. That's all from us. Thank you.